What's up, family? Welcome back to Hustling Crypto, that channel about crypto and only crypto. I'm your beloved host, Boski, and on this channel, we talk about crypto projects that give people like you and me the opportunity to make a passive income. Whether we staking, yield farming, building nodes, we talk about the projects here. And if this is your first time on my channel, come on, man, do what it do. Hit that like and subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. That way you don't miss out when I drop new content like this. But today's video is going to be about a project I jumped into, came out like a week and a half ago, called Red Light Node District. Now, I didn't bring it out right away. I wanted to see what it do before I brought it to my family. So we're going to get into that and break it down. But before I get into that, I have to announce the winner of my universe node. And that winner is none other than X marks the spot. Congratulations to you, man. Leave me a comment below. We can link up on Twitter, and then you know what, I can send it to you. But congratulations. So with that being said and that business out the way, and without further ado, between me and you, I'm ready to get started. Let's get to the video. All right, like we normally do, man. Right now, Red Light Node District is trading for like $20. We're gonna just go ahead and look at the chart. It's only been out for like 2 weeks, so I said, you know what I'm saying? It ain't been that long ago, so you ain't gotta worry about it. It came on the 3rd, it dropped. The price point they was going for was like 30 cents, but it was jumped to $19, and the highest it got to was 29 bucks. But it's been trading sideways for the longest, for like the last 6 days, from between $19 to $20. So it's been stable, you know what I'm saying? Can't complain. But going straight to the website, if you newbies don't know how to get to the website, you go right here. Go to coinmarketcap.com. It should be your best friend. You hear me? Coinmarketcap.com or CoinGecko. You know what I mean? You just tap this little button right here. That's the link for the website. And you hit that, and boom, it's gonna be right here. And man, it looked like a horror story. It looked gangster though when you first come to the website. Red Light Node District, you know what I'm saying? You scroll down, and once you scroll down, it highlights all the things you need to see, like the white paper, the team, the roadmap. This is gonna be a very brief overview, you know what I'm saying? I want you to do your own research. I'm gonna go over the main parts of the white paper I thought was important to me. And you know what I'm saying? You can go over the white paper yourself. It's only 10 pages long. But scrolling down to the website, you know, it tells you a little bit about it, their history. I'll read the story. Red Light Token District was founded as a cryptocurrency promotional discussion group on Telegram, offering not only promotions, but helping people understand the market and what to look for and what to avoid. We started off with vetting projects and offering AMAs to the ones we liked in exchange for whitelist spots, but soon realized there was a lot more fun to be had on other blockchains outside of Binance Smart Chain. So pretty much they were just a group of people that got together and started this little group, and eventually they started their own token. Now they have a AMA right here on the website that you can look at. It's like an hour and a half long. I'm not going to play any parts of it right now. I'm not trying to get flagged on YouTube for playing a part of a video. But yeah, they talk about it, and they actually said that they forked the project off of Soldier nodes. Yeah, you already know how I feel about Soldier nodes. So hopefully they get it right, man. Hopefully they get it right. But you keep scrolling down the website, it shows you how many nodes they got, and that number is actually wrong. They need to do an update. If you're watching right now, do an update. They got close to like 57,000 right now. So they haven't even updated their website. And this is the team right here. You know, you can go over and look at it. You know, the designers. One of them actually, Hoppy Cat, she did the artwork for the NFT artwork for Board Frost, if I'm not mistaken. You know, I believe that was her. I seen it somewhere. Can't remember where I seen it, but do the research on it. And this is the roadmap. So this is what you see on the website, the white paper. It's not that big of a white paper. Like I told you, it's only 10 pages, so I won't really get into it. But they made a pretty bold statement, man, on their white paper. I'm gonna read it to you. When you get here to the mission statement, it said the mission statement to provide a more sustainable and rewarding passive income stream through the technology of node systems and NFTs. The Red Light Node System passively rewards its users through technology that allows investors to build and compound active reward systems. That's one thing I do like. You can compound right there, unlike like Strong or something like that, where you have to claim your rewards, then you have to make another node, so you're spending gas fees and ETH, and you're spending gas fees to make the node, so it costs you a little bit of money to make your node. But they let you compound right then and there, and I'll show it to you when I go to my nodes. Through the power of NFTs, play to earn games, and other sustainable tokenomics, our users will have the ability to earn more income than with any other node system currently active. That's a bold statement right there. There's some good projects out there, and you know what I'm saying? At the current rate, $20 per coin, and you're getting one coin a day, you're getting $20 a day with a 20-day ROI. If the price stays the same when you enter. But this is the team again. You got Leo, You got Amy, Alex, and Ryan. I know one of them is not there no more. I believe it's Mr. Magoo, who is Ryan right here. I heard on the Discord he did something funky, but I'm not gonna claim that right here because I don't know that man. That man don't know me. We ain't got each other's number. He didn't text me and tell me what went down, but he's no longer there no more. But we all know what a node is, so I won't even go over that. But this is their breakdown on how it works to participate. It takes 20 playmates. Those are the tokens that are used on the Red Light Node District website and their ecosystem. When you go to CoinMarketCap, you type in playmates and Red Light District will pop up. So that's the token you need. But it takes 20 playmates in order to create one mansion. And mansions are nodes. 20 mansions can then be traded to generate one district. And when you get that one district, your entire wallet increases by 1.5% as far as your rewards. And it decreases by 1% on your claim tax. Now, they don't have it already ready yet, but eventually you can trade your districts in to generate one city. And that one city will increase your rewards to your entire wallet by 5%. It doesn't show how much tax it decreases. I don't even know if it decreases any of your taxes. It does something. It gives you 5% increase on your entire wallet. And at first I couldn't understand that, but I'm gonna break it down later to you. For each node tier a user trades into, they will have increased rewards for all the lower tier nodes, effectively increasing their overall APY percentage. If a user obtains a max wallet, they will receive an NFT. So you get a free NFT if you get a max wallet. I think a max wallet is something stupid like 200 mansions, 10 districts in one city. That's a lot, I ain't gonna lie. You'll be doing all right if you do that. Right now, if you had 10, you're getting $250 a day. So 100 of them, you'll be getting, what, roughly $2,500 a day? 200 be 5,000, something like that. Comment below, let me know how much it'll be. Somebody up there calculating right now. They doing that, they calculating right now. They know what it is. But yeah, that's what it'll be, you know what I'm saying? Users are not required to upgrade when they reach 20 mansions. However, due to the multiplier that gets applied with each district, upgrading will be more beneficial to a user in long term. So they incentivizing people to upgrade their nodes, which is good. You know what I'm saying? It gives people something to look forward to, more rewards, and it makes them want to stack up and save and keep compounding. NFT integrations. NFT technology integrated with node smart contracts allows flexibility and sustainability with the reward generation process. Before the advancement of NFTs, nodes could not be swapped, and that's 100% true. You could not swap your node, you couldn't sell your node or trade your node. But integrating nodes as NFTs increases simplicity, creating an additional value to the nodes themselves, making them a viable investment. NFTs can also work as standalone, adding value to your portfolio. And by making your NFT smart, we can give them boosts and values to increase an investor's overall reward percentage. Now here's when we break down the tokenomics. It's only 2 million playmates out there. 200,000 went to the team wallet, 1 million went to the reward pool, 500,000 went to the exchange, and 300,000 caught the pre-sale. You don't have to pay no tax when you buy it, but you do pay a tax when you transfer. It's 40% tax. So if you're trading from one wallet, if you send it to your mother so she can start up a node, your brother, your friend, whoever, it's gonna cost you 40%. You send 10, they're only gonna get 6. There's a 10% sales tax in which 50% of it goes back into the treasury. 30% goes back to the reward pool. 10% goes back into the liquidity for half playmates, half AVAX. And 10 goes to the marketing wallet. They do not do any burn. Now, when it comes down to the nodes, there's a 200 cap. I think I already talked about it. It's a 200 cap on the mansions and the 10 cap districts that you can have. It doesn't say anything about the cities, but I'm guessing that it'll come out in the next couple months. But each node produces one playmate every 24 hours. So like I said, you create a node, you get one reward every day, one playmate. Now this is the part right here I think is real innovative. I ain't seen nobody do this. The cost of mansions will increase steadily after a user has created 10 mansions. This is to incentivize users to upgrade, being more beneficial to the overall return percentage. This also prolongs the longevity of the reward pool by constantly feeding back into it. The percentage split of token distribution per tier remains the same. The cost of a mansion you create will be the same for the entire amount, depending on the tier you are at in the time of creation. From 1 to 10, it only costs you 20 playmates. From 10 to 20 is gonna cost you 25 playmates. From 20 to 40, it costs you 30, then so on and so on. So as you keep making them, it keep costing you more. Unlike somebody like Strong, I hate to keep picking on Strong. I am a Strong note holder, but unlike Strong, we're just 10 coins, 10 coins, 10 coins, and only so much going back to the reward pool. With this project, the more you get, the more you got to kick out to get another one. So it's actually you adding more to the reward pool, and then you're getting taxed more. You're getting taxed, which is also sending more coins to the reward pool as well. I think that's kind of smart. You know what I mean? Now, I don't know if it's going to work. You don't even know if it's going to work. We don't know if it's going to work. But hey, I like the idea of it. You know what I'm saying? The idea of it is pretty nice, pretty genius. Now, they do a taxing on the transactions. Taxing on transactions of a token is not something that is new to the space. We all seen it. We all get taxed. Univ, LVT, different projects. We decided to harness this process to make the token an overall better investment vehicle. Instead of taxes being on every transaction, there will only be a 10% sales tax. The 10% sales tax will be broken down as follows, and it breaks down exactly the same way. Or 50% goes to treasury, 30% to the node rewards, 10% to liquidity, and 10% to marketing. Now, this is the breakdown on the node purchase distribution. So when you purchase your node, this is where your money is going. Or should I say, this is where your tokens is going. 80% of those tokens is going back to the rewards, and 20% is going back to liquidity. Half AVAX, half Playmates. Now, they got a claim tax. It's a 15% claim tax. So if you got 10 tokens in there, you claim it, it's going to cost you 1.5 tokens. So you'll see 8.5. But the killer part about that is that they have a whale tax, which is dope. You know what I mean? When you do a claim, 15% is getting taken out in tax, 12 goes into the reward pool, 3% to marketing. Okay. The whale tax is up to 25% tax increase based on the amount of mansions you have. So if you got less than 20 mansions, it's 2.5%. You got more than 20 mansions, it's plus 5%. 50 mansions is 15%. Excuse me. 100 mansions is 25%. So you already know how the breakdown going. They're using the same numbers all across the board. 50 to treasury, 30 reward, 10 to marketing, 10% liquidity. Now, they don't really have a roadmap, an extensive roadmap. Hell, they don't even got an extensive white paper. It's only 10 pages. I hope they add more to it. But the roadmap look like this. The token launch and pre-sale, they did that. Advertisement, increased NFT integrations, node upgrade expansions, and the play to earn game integrations. Now, on that AMA that they did have, they talked a little bit about the game. It's not going to be a 3D, it's going to be a 2D game. And somewhat you can have your mansions where your friends can actually come in your mansions. You can control like putting a poker table on there and have a poker game with, I don't know what currency they was talking about, but I'm excited to see what currency they're talking about. Have a flat screen TV in your living room where your friends can watch real TV. So it's kind of dope what they're trying to do. I just want to see them fall through with it. And I just hope they don't do like the other projects, slash their rewards within the first month. At least give us some time and give us a heads up. So far, they've been doing pretty good. Now, if you come to the dashboard, this is what it's going to look like. It'll show how many Playmates you have right there. I don't got no Playmates right there. It'll show you the price, the market cap, the volume, how many nodes you got. Right now, I'm sitting with 4 nodes, and I got like 6 Playmates in my rewards. Like I told you before, that number said 39,000. It's really like, I said 57. I was off. It's almost 60,000 nodes. By the time this video airs, it'll be 60,000 nodes out there. And right here you can see mansions. See, I created my first one on the 4th, then the 8th, then the 10th, and the 13th. That's when I did mine. I was doing a lot, man. So, you know what I mean? I created one to see how I roll. Then I bought another one. Then I got another one. I'll probably get another one. I'm trying to get up to 10 real quick and just see what happens. I don't think I'm going to get 30 and 40 of them. Just about 10 to 20, I'll be okay. If you want to create a node, all you gotta do is you can come here. If you don't know how to create one, you can go down to market. And when you hit market, you're going to hit Trader Joe. That's going to pop up. If you can't find it right here, I'll show you. I'm going to remove it. But you can't find it, what you should do is do right here, go back to CoinMarketCap. You can copy this address right here. Go back to Trader Joe. Click down here. You just copy that address. Click add. Now you got it on there. So now when you go back there, you just put Playmates. It's going to pop up. and you just buy some. You clear me? You buy some, pop up in your wallet. Once it's in your wallet, you go back here, create a name for yourself. Boom. You know, this is like, you know, create a name for yourself. Then you just hit create. And it's that simple, you know what I mean? And right here, like I said, you can compound right there on the website. You know what I'm saying? So if you got it in your wallet, you can use the 20 that's in your wallet. Boom, create it. I'm so used to Strong that I didn't even see that. I was claiming my rewards, and I think I made one out of the rewards I claimed. But I claimed it first, paid the tax on it, then I created it. I didn't even know nothing about this. I wasn't even paying attention. But yeah, I think it's a good project. Like I said, they forked it off of Soldier Nodes. That's the only throw off. But they did restructure it a lot better. They said that Soldier Nodes contract was really messy, and they went around and they changed everything up. So yeah, family, that's the project. That's it. Red Light District Nodes. Leave me a comment down there and tell me what you think. If you win the project and you like it, if you think it sounds good, if you think it sounds suspect, whatever you think, man, leave me a comment. I like the project. I'm into it already. I got 4 nodes. If you want to get a node, it's going to cost you about $400 right now. But yeah, I like the project. It's pretty decent right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting about $80 a day off those nodes. But this your first time on my channel, like I said, hit that like and subscribe button. Get to kick it with your mans for a minute. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be entered to win my next node I'm giving away, the Universe node, my 3rd one, hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment that says win, and you'll be entered to win my 3rd Universe node I'm giving away. Hey, Hustling Crypto family. It's been a good video, man. I've been missing y'all. Y'all know what I've been going through lately. I'm just trying to keep good spirits. But hey, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.